Skylar here, Boucher Cadillac, Buick GMC. Today here is our 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 2017. One owner vehicle, local trade for us. Only reason for a trade is customer need a little more towing capacity. Bought another new truck from us. Has upgraded TRD factory wheels with great Cooper tires. Open up the topper here. Also the factory wheels inside. Looks like they are near new as well. Backup camera built right in. Towing package with your 7 and 4 pin connectors. This truck will tow 6,500 pounds. Magnum side steps. Tinted front windows to match the back. Let's unlock it here. Better look at the back. Plenty of space in the back. Also has storage back behind the seats, as well as underneath the seats for you here. Has a factory sunroof, in-tune system with navigation, as well as JBL audio, which you can see in the doors there. Heated front seats, one of my favorites with a cloth. Also have dual zone climate control now for the 2017 model. You have blind spot monitoring system for you there. 4-wheel drive up top. And also now is a push button start. Best of all, this truck has just under 5,000 miles. This clean truck won't last long. Come see Skylar, Boucher Cadillac and GMC, 262-754-9600.